So let's all be dependent on the system. Kasi kung ang tao natin humanga sa atin, may malaki problema natin. Pero pag ang mga tao natin humanga dito sa system na ito, kahit wala tayo, they can grow here.
Yes.
That's the objective of a system, even in other companies. So, but our system is very perfect. Now, but why do people cannot adapt to a system? There is a reason. Sabi nila, you need commitment, tama? But commitment most of the time is just a word. Easily said, but difficult to be done. Tama? Kasi ganito po yun. Allow me a topic of stewardship, no? Siguro para magbigay po tayo ng istorya, no? Coming from the ancient book. Tawag namin yung ancient book. The parable of the three dudes. Alam niyo yung parable of the three dudes? So yung three dudes binigyan ng talent. Diba? Sabi ng master, yo, come over yan. Yung medyo, minomodernize natin. Yo, come. Sabi niya sa, you dude, I give you 20 talent. You dude, I will give you 10 talent. And the last dude, I give you 5. Tama ba? Ganun ba yung nakasulat sa ancient book? Diba? Iba-iba may 20. Bakit kaya hindi pare-pareho? Kasi ganito po yun. Those who can be trusted will give in much. Those who cannot will give in less. So yung iba, punta siya, sabi niya, I'm hanging out somewhere over there and you remain here. You make that talent multiply. Diba? Tama ba? Ganun ba? Diba? Oh. Kasi di ba nakita kayo, nag-running kayo eh. Yung ba sinasabi sa inyo? Ganun din, diba? Okay. So anyway, yung isa, yung 20, naging 40. Sabi sa kanya, good and faithful servant. Tama? Yung isa naman, 10 talent, naging 20. A good and faithful servant. Ay yung last, yung 5, sabi niya, hindi ko tinago ko kasi natatakot ako, baka mawala. Sabi niya. Ano sabi ng master sa kanya? You wicked and lazy servant, you deserve a fire of hell with gnashing teeth. Ganito po yun. When we invest our resources, we invest it to the right people. Kaya nga di ba, kukuha tayo ng tao, iti-training ng Riway, ibabaguhin ng values, at pag meron ng outstanding, we will invest. Ito lang ang company na kaming mga leader, Joel and the rest of us, we're not afraid to invest in our people. Because it is being taught here. Ako dito lang ako nakaranas, isang event, nag-invest ako 1.2 million eh. Tapos yung asawa ko hindi pumalap. Diba? Kasi ang asawa ko po kasi kalahati Kapampangan, kalahati Ilocano. Diba? Eh, makibaka po yan, ganun ang araw. Makibaka. Hindi mo yung mabubuka. Ganun, makibaka talaga. No? But in here, because of the values of Riway, nangyari sa amin yun. Ang political meeting, invest natin sa isang event, we call it summit. But the point is, going to that story, we have to see if our people really love Riway. And that's the only time you will invest. Because hindi mo pwedeng gawing leader lahat, you have only to choose who will develop. Once you notice that they love Riway the way you do, you bring them out, you take them time, i-date mo, kausapin mo. And hindi naman puro Riway lang ang pag-uusapan. You have to know the family background, what's going on in there. Because whatever is that happening in their house, it is also your concern. Because they cannot perform well here if they have a problem in their own home. Tama ba? Eh, kumisang ka tayo. Nakita mo yung grupo mo. Oo, kumusta ka na? Riway. You have to know the person first. If you want to build the leaders, it is a matter of hearts, not a matter of mind. So that the organization will be an organization of hearts. In other words, doon sa parable na kinukwento ko sa inyo, mapasin nyo yung isang 20, isang 10, kasi nga hindi pwedeng pagkatiwalaan. And most of the time, kung sino yung mas maliit ang binigay, yun ang hindi mo pagkatiwalaan. And let me break a virtue that is learned in the Philippines. They say that marami sa atin, sinasabi natin pag mayayaman, masasama sila. Pag mamahirap, mabubuti daw. Di ba? Are you familiar with that virtue? It's not true. Minsan, mas maraming masama sa mahirap kaysa mayayaman. And most of mayayaman, the reason why they became rich because they have values.
Correct.
Yes.
While the poor is telenovela. I'm sorry.
That's true.
Tama.
But if you go to Riway and learn the values, because the values of Riway is the values of successful people. Now, but the question is this. Bakit yung mga iba, hindi nila ma-embrace ang Riway? Takot na takot sila sa sales. You know why? By the word fear. Because if you always worry of not having money, the more you will not have money.
Correct. That's it.
Sabi ng ancient book, ganito po yun. Alam me to quote this, no? Total, ba Pilipino tayo, sabi nila, we are the only Christian nation in the world. And we are getting to be the last nation in terms of economy. I don't understand that. Probably there's something to be corrected. But the point is, nasa na ba ako? Wala tuloy ako. Fear. Diba? Kaya ako na nag-umpisa, sabi ko sa asawa ko, ikaw ang humawak ng pera. Para hindi ko yan iisipin. Ang isipin ko lang, I want to be totally concerned to grow of my leaders because this is how this business is all about. And if you are like that, people will have a feeling of gratitude and I'm not perfect, no? Hindi naman lahat ng grupo ko tuwa sa akin, di ba? But at least somehow, di ba? Somehow I can influence right because I'm not attached to money. Money is a result.
Correct.
So, a point is, I bring them here so that they become courageous because being courageous is a choice. Kasi pag hindi ka tumagal, hindi mo makukuha yung reward ni Riway. Nakuha nyo? At pag ikaw ay takot, hindi ka makakabuild ng organization. Kasi hindi ka makakaproduce ng leaders. You cannot produce leaders in it without courage. They have to be... let me explain this. Sa inyo, nakatulala yan. Nung una ako dito sa negosyo ito, siyempre, alam niyo pag nag-umpisa ka ng ganitong negosyo, maraming hindi natutuwa. One time, kinausap ng biyanan ko yung tatay ko. Sabi sa tatay ko, maghanap daw ako ng matinong trabaho. It's true.
Totoo yun.
And during the time, it's so good that my first mentor in this business taught me, Mon, keep dreaming big.
Yun.
So that when clouds is under you, you will focus on your dream and tell yourself your dream is not yet done. So even to a point na talagang dumating ako sa point in time that against all odds na lahat yung tao. No? Kasi alam niyo, nabudol talaga ako ng negosyo ito, hindi ko maiwan eh. So I was to a point of even really almost wanting to commit suicide, no? Dumating ako sa point na yun eh. Na parang hindi naman yata ito totoo. But every time I see my dream board, I said, no. This is my promise to God. I will fulfill this.
Yes.
And I never realized I fulfilled them all. Almost. Yeah? So, get out of fear. So, one time, napapansin ko kahit yung wife ko si Fides, yung alam mo yung pag umuoo, lumalabas na sa ilong. Sabi ko, one day we're gonna make this, one day I'm going to park a car here, gano'n. Pero yung pagka, okay. Go. Yung alam mo yung wala na siyang nararamdaman. And nararamdaman mo rin yung bigat ng fear, but I made a decision during the time as I was mentored. Sabi niya, don't ever submit to fear. Even all else are so afraid until you meet your dreams. Keep focusing on your dream. be courage and don't be affected by them. So I did. I was numb of fear. Kaya nung dumating ako sa Riway, it's a perfect timing. Because Riway is not afraid of challenges. Mararamdaman mo yan sa mga tao dito. So, our resources is our people. Our goal is to make them away from fear. Kasi, remember, life is a journey. It's not a destination. They will travel through. But if they travel with fear, they will not get from one point to another. They will be stuck. But the most important resources that the company is giving us is the management of Riway. Allow me to say this in my own words. Riway management work with total dedication in their heart. Let me validate. 3 days before we have an event, for example, in Malaysia, all our employees, especially the BDs, they are there already working 3 days before. Tama, Nate? 3 days before. And when you will notice, they don't do just an ordinary job. I've been a GM before, but I have never seen an employee like in Riway. Ibang-iba. They will be there 3 days. And during the event, they will be there at 5 a.m., wherein the meeting will start at 9. And most of us are complaining when we are there at 8 because the door is not yet open. Tama ba? And they will be there, and by the time we arrive with our buses, they are there outside the sun, waiting for you and I, with their smile. Sa kalsada sila nandun, naka-coat, mainit. But how many of you has appreciated? Can you come up, Nathan? Because Nathan is the only employee here. Can you come up here on the stage? Come. Dito, kailangan ka namin. Come, hindi, Nate. Dali, sige na, please. Come, here. Go. Kailangan. Patapos na ako. Halika. We need you. Let's give a hand for Nathan Soriano. Kailangan natin dito. But this is my question to you. Come here on the stage. By the way, allow me to introduce our training, business development, Nathan Soriano. And how many of you come on the stage? Seriously. With all the dedication that they have, because they are trained that way, how many of you have ever said, Nathan? Sino sa inyo? None. No one. You don't know their dedications. You don't know how much they work for us. Because Riway International gave these very important resources to all of us. But we think they're just doing the job. They don't. They did beyond what is required of them.
Thank you, Nathan!
And James, of course. You know why I'm saying that? Much is given, much will be required. Those who can trusted with little can be trusted with much. But most of us, we cannot even appreciate what this company is doing for us. Tama ba?
Yes.
Most of us are, I'm going to that. Even pag may international tayo, can you imagine they will close the office and all the employees are there?
Yes.
And they work very hard. How many of you have seen a single employee of Riway riding in an elephant in Thailand? How many of you have seen Riway You know, when we were in Korea, nung after the event, nagagala kami ni Mrs. dun sa ano bang street? Yuntung. Kasi ano, mahirap eh. Yuntung. Diba? Doon marami nagsa-shopping, naka-civilian kami. From afar, makikita mo yung empleyado ng Riway naglalakad. Naka-Riway attire pa rin. They're still at work. And right after the event, you know what will happen to them? They will go straight to the airport. And if it is early, do you know where they will go straight? Here. Guys, that resources is given to you by God. But because of fear, most of the time, we cannot appreciate because we are so much concerned just about ourselves. Riway is a gift of God for us. Riway will make a lot of Filipinos successful.
Yes.
If we build an organization instead of running for money. Every time you bring a people here, make them so valuable to become leaders in Riway. Because leaders multiply. It's not the sales. If you treasure them, if they begin to trust Riway, if they begin to love Riway, don't worry about investing in Riway. Don't worry about them investing in their health. Because do you know why people sometimes they don't buy yet? Si Nicole nga kanina, ano? Ilang buwan? 6 na buwan. Di ba? Because she's not yet trusting the process. If she trusted the process from the very beginning, I tell you, even 1 million is nothing. Tama ba? So all we need to do is embrace this Riway platform. When I talk to people outside, I'm so proud about Riway. I'm so proud about, most especially, I'm so proud about our business development. Because I have never seen such an employee with such dedication. But I appeal to you today for you to give at least a simple embrace and thanksgiving to them. Because that is what we can only give to them. So, and they're bringing us, like now, we will have in Thailand, di ba? This event. Oh, hindi ito, no? Ito, okay.
续写新的光辉。